Hi guys, there's nothing quite like a room filled with music and laughter, and the best karaoke machines can bring fun-filled moments to you and your friends and family. We did a deep dive into this enjoyable hardware to help you find the right product for specific uses and budgets. From easy portability to special features like auto-tune or disco lighting, there's a great karaoke system here for everyone. So, let's get started. Number 5, Karaoke Machine, Kids Adults, Karaoke Machine. This karaoke machine is here with the 2% price off. Now you can get it at around $46. Karaoke is not just a form of entertainment, it's a celebration of music, creativity, and pure fun. Whether you're a child dreaming of the spotlight or an adult looking to let loose and unwind, there's something magical about grabbing a microphone and belting out your favorite tunes. This all-in-one karaoke set is designed to ignite your inner superstar and create unforgettable musical moments for the whole family. Fun for all ages. One of the most remarkable aspects of the karaoke machine for kids and adults is its ability to cater to singers of all ages. Whether you're a child singing along to Disney classics or an adult reminiscing about your favorite hits from the 80s, this karaoke set has something for everyone. Portable and versatile. Gone are the days of being confined to a karaoke bar or rental facility. With the portable design of this karaoke machine, the stage is wherever you want it to be. Whether you're hosting a karaoke party in the living room, taking the show outdoors for a picnic, or bringing the fun to a friend's house, the system is ready to go wherever the music takes you. Wireless microphones for unrestricted movement. No karaoke experience is complete without the freedom to move and groove on stage. With the karaoke machine for kids and adults, you can enjoy the ultimate freedom of wireless microphones. Colorful LED light show. Enhance the atmosphere of your karaoke party with the mesmerizing LED light show of this karaoke machine. The colorful lights pulse and dance to the rhythm of the music, creating a dynamic visual display that captivates audiences of all ages. Number 4, 15-inch wireless, Bluetooth speaker, karaoke machine. This karaoke machine is here with the 30% price off. Now you can get it at around $62. Outdoor gatherings, from lively barbecues to serene picnics, are perfect occasions for enjoying music in good company. However, to truly enhance the ambience and keep the energy flowing, you need a powerful sound system that can fill the open air with rich, immersive sound. Enter the 15-inch wireless Bluetooth speaker, a portable powerhouse designed to take your outdoor entertainment to the next level. High-volume performance. With its 15-inch subwoofer and high-power output, this Bluetooth speaker delivers impressive volume levels that can easily fill outdoor spaces with crystal-clear sound. Whether you're hosting a backyard party, a beach bonfire, or a community square dance, this speaker ensures that every beat is heard and felt, creating an unforgettable audio experience for you and your guests. Wireless convenience. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to wireless freedom. The 15-inch wireless Bluetooth speaker allows you to stream music wirelessly from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Simply pair your device with the speaker and enjoy seamless playback from anywhere within range. Portable and versatile. Despite its powerful performance, this Bluetooth speaker is remarkably portable, making it easy to take the party wherever you go. Its compact design and built-in carrying handle allow for effortless transportation, whether you're moving from the backyard to the patio or from the park to the beach. Karaoke ready. Take your outdoor entertainment to the next level with the karaoke ready feature of the 15-inch wireless Bluetooth speaker. With its microphone input and echo effect controls, you can turn any gathering into a karaoke party, allowing guests to channel their inner rock stars and serenade the crowd. The next is Number 3, 2023 Portable, Family Karaoke Machine. This karaoke machine is here with the 4% price off. Now you can get it at around $55. With its powerful Bluetooth connectivity, stereo-based subwoofer, wireless microphones, family-friendly design, and portable versatility, the 2023 Portable Family Karaoke Machine is the ultimate companion for musical enthusiasts of all ages. Whether you're singing solo or duetting with friends and family, this karaoke system promises to transform any gathering into a memorable celebration of music and fun. Unleash your inner star and let your voice be heard with the 2023 Portable Family Karaoke Machine. Powerful Bluetooth connectivity. Gone are the days of tangled wires and cumbersome setups. The 2023 portable family karaoke machine boasts seamless Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, allowing you to effortlessly stream your favorite songs from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Stereo bass subwoofer for immersive sound. Prepare to be blown away by the rich, immersive sound of the 2023 portable family karaoke machine. Equipped with a stereo bass subwoofer, this system delivers deep, powerful bass and crisp, clear highs, creating a dynamic audio experience that rivals professional sound systems. Wireless microphones for unrestricted movement. Say goodbye to restrictive cables and hello to freedom with the wireless microphones included with the 2023 portable family karaoke machine. With a range of up to 33 feet, you can roam and groove to your heart's content without being tethered to the karaoke machine. Family-friendly design. Designed with families in mind, the 2023 portable family karaoke machine features a user-friendly interface that makes it easy for everyone to join in the fun. With intuitive controls and simple operation, even young children can navigate the system with ease, ensuring that the whole family can enjoy hours of musical entertainment together. The next is Number 2, 2-Mic Karaoke Machine Portable Karaoke Machine. This karaoke machine is here with the 52% price off. Now you can get it at around $49. Karaoke has long been a beloved pastime, offering people of all ages the chance to unleash their inner rockstar or diva. Whether it's a gathering of friends, a family party, or simply a solo singing session at home, karaoke brings joy and entertainment. Now, imagine taking that experience to the next level with the 2-Mic Karaoke Machine Portable PA Speaker System. This all-in-one system combines convenience, versatility, and fun, making it a must-have for karaoke enthusiasts everywhere. Portable Powerhouse. One of the standout features of this karaoke machine is its portability. Designed to be easily transported, it's perfect for parties, picnics, outdoor gatherings, or simply moving from room to room. Its compact size belies its powerful performance, ensuring that you can enjoy high-quality sound wherever you go. Say goodbye to bulky, cumbersome karaoke setups and hello to convenience and ease of use. Wireless freedom. Gone are the days of being tethered to a bulky karaoke machine by cumbersome cables. With the 2-Mic Karaoke Machine, you can enjoy the freedom of wireless connectivity. The included microphones connect effortlessly to the speaker system, allowing you to move and groove without any restrictions. Voice changer fun. Inject some excitement into your karaoke sessions with the built-in voice changer feature. Transform your voice with a variety of effects, from robot to chipmunk, adding a playful twist to your performances. Colorful LED light show. Enhance the atmosphere of your karaoke party with the vibrant LED light show. The speaker system features colorful LED lights that pulse and dance to the beat of the music, creating a visually stunning experience. The next is Number 1, Karaoke Machine, Adults Kids, Karaoke Machine. This karaoke machine is here with the 24% price off. Now you can get it at around $60. Karaoke isn't just for bars anymore, it's become a staple of home entertainment, bringing people together for hours of fun and laughter. Whether you're hosting a party, family gathering, or just looking to add some excitement to your evenings, the karaoke machine with 2 UHF wireless microphones is your ticket to a memorable experience. With its portable design, Bluetooth connectivity, vibrant RGB lights, and powerful PA system, this karaoke machine is perfect for adults and kids alike, promising endless hours of musical enjoyment and creative expression. Elevating entertainment. The karaoke machine with 2 UHF wireless microphones is more than just a karaoke system, it's a complete entertainment package. Designed for both adults and kids, this portable machine brings the excitement of karaoke into your home, allowing you to sing your favorite songs with friends and family anytime, anywhere. Wireless freedom. Say goodbye to tangled cables and restrictive movements. The karaoke machine comes equipped with 2 UHF wireless microphones, giving you the freedom to move and groove to the music without being tethered to the machine. Seamless connectivity. With its built-in Bluetooth connectivity, the karaoke machine lets you stream music wirelessly from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Simply pair your device with the karaoke machine, select your favorite songs from your music library or streaming service, and let the music play. Dazzling visuals. Bring the party to life with the karaoke machine's vibrant RGB lights and powerful PA system. The built-in LED lights create a dazzling light show that pulses and dances to the rhythm of the music, adding an extra layer of excitement and energy to your karaoke performances. So this is the best option for you to buy.